Uh-oh, Grayson. Where are you going? Josie says no TV. Is Josie giving you kisses? Josie says no TV, Grayson.
Yes. Cedric came rushing back to get his notes. I'll Then what?
I think Josie wants you to play with her. Uh-oh, Josie's coming for you.
11?
You're giving him kisses.
I was watching some rubbish on TV. It's awful. When I was a student, I had quite a decent brain, but nowadays...
Ah, Josie, he's running away from you. Josie, move. You're in the way. Is she funny, Grayson? Where are you going, bud? Oh, jeez. It's a lot of work to get to Winnie the Pooh. Grayson. Grayson. Oh, you're going to get up on the couch. Yeah. You get up on the couch, or you playing with your toy?